Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the diamagnetism on the basis of electron theory. We know that diamagnetic materials are those materials which, when placed in a magnetic field, are get feebly magnetized in the direction opposite to the applied magnetic field. Now we will discuss why it happens on the basis of electron theory. We know that in an atom, the electron revolves around the nucleus, and a revolving electron behaves as a tiny current loop, so it possesses a magnetic dipole moment. The magnetic dipole moment of the revolving electron with velocity v having a radius r is given by m is equals to evr upon 2. This is the magnetic dipole moment, and the angular dipole moment of a revolving electron is given by L is equals to MEVR, where M is the mass of electron. Now from here we can find the value of V, which is equals to L upon MER. Substituting this value of V in this equation, we will get M is equals to E upon 2ME into L. And in vector form, it can be written as M vector is equals to minus E upon 2ME into L vector. Here the negative sign indicates that the direction of magnetic dipole moment is opposite to the direction of angular momentum. Here you can see in this diagram, the magnetic dipole moment is in upward direction while the angular momentum is in downward direction. In diamagnetic materials, there are no unpaired electrons, and the electrons of a pair possesses orbital motion in opposite directions. Means if an atom has two electrons, if one is revolving in the clockwise direction, then the other will revolve in the anti-clockwise direction. This is the diagram for a electron which is revolving in the clockwise direction, while this is the figure for a electron which is revolving in anti-clockwise direction. Here we can see that the magnetic dipole moment of first is acting in the upward direction, while the magnetic dipole moment of second is acting in the downward direction. So for the two electrons of a pair, they possesses magnetic moments equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So the magnetic moment of any pair of electron due to their orbital motion is 0. So the diamagnetic atoms do not possesses magnetic moment due to the motion of electrons. Now what happens when an external magnetic field is applied? In the next figure you can see here is the magnetic field is applied in the upward direction. When the external magnetic field is applied, then the magnetic Lorentz force is given by F is equals to minus E V cross B. Now for considering a case in which electron is revolving in the clockwise direction, the magnetic Lorentz force acts radially outwards. it acts radially outwards and tend to decrease the centripetal force on electron. And we know that the centripetal force is given by F is equals to mv square upon r. As the centripetal force will decrease, the velocity of the electron will also decrease. And as the velocity of the electron will decrease, ultimately the magnetic dipole moment of the electron is decreased. Now you can see for the electron which is revolving in the clockwise direction, the new magnetic dipole moment becomes m minus delta m. And for the electron which is revolving in the anti-clockwise direction, the centripetal force acts radially inward and it tends to increase the Lorentz force acts radially inwards and tends to increase the centripetal force, and the force is proportional to velocity, so the velocity of electron increases. As a result of increasing the velocity, ultimately its magnetic dipole moment increases. Let its new magnetic dipole moment be m plus delta m. It means that on applying the external magnetic field, the magnetic dipole moment of one electron increases while the magnetic dipole moment of other electron decreases. The electron which is revolving in the clockwise direction have a magnetic moment less than earlier, while the electron which is revolving in the anti-clockwise direction have a magnetic moment greater than earlier. So the magnetic dipole moment of paired electron in all atoms of the diamagnetic add up to account for a small magnetic moment of the specimen along a direction opposite to the applied field. So the net magnetic moment is m plus delta m minus m plus delta m. Here m will cancel m and we get 2 delta m. And the direction of this magnetic dipole moment is opposite to the applied magnetic field. So the electron theory explains the behavior of diamagnetics when placed in a external magnetic field.